Credit cards, a gateway to financial freedom, or a trap designed to keep you in debt? Most of us use them daily, enjoying the perks of cashless transactions. But what if I told you that credit cards are one of the most profitable businesses in the world, and the system is designed to work against you? Credit cards were introduced in the 1950s as a convenient way to make purchases, but over time, they became a tool for banks to generate billions in profits. How? Interest rates, fees, and a psychology-driven system designed to keep you spending. Here's how it works. You make a purchase today, but instead of using cash, you swipe your card. The bank pays the merchant, and now you owe the bank. If you don't pay the full amount by the due date, interest is charged, often at rates as high as 20% or more. This is where the real danger lies. The minimum payment trap. The less you pay now, the more you pay later, and that's exactly what the banks want. Credit cards aren't just about interest rates. They come with hidden fees, annual fees, late fees, foreign transaction fees, balance transfer fees, and if you miss a payment, your interest rate can skyrocket overnight. Ever wonder why you spend more with a credit card than with cash? Studies show that people are willing to spend up to 83% more when using plastic instead of cash. Why? Because handing over physical money feels more painful than simply tapping a card. The system is rigged to keep you using credit. Your credit score, something banks and lenders use to judge your financial health, is based largely on how well you manage your credit cards. Close a card, your score might drop. Avoid using credit, your score won't grow. It's a cycle designed to keep you engaged. But there's a way to fight back. Here's how. Pay in full. Always pay your full statement balance to avoid interest. 2. Avoid unnecessary fees. Know your card's terms and avoid hidden charges. 3. Use rewards wisely. If your card offers cashback or points, use them smartly, but never spend just to earn rewards. 4. Know your spending habits. Don't let easy credit trick you into unnecessary purchases. Credit cards can be a powerful tool, but only if you use them wisely. Remember, the banks win when you stay in debt. The real secret? Staying financially disciplined puts you in control, not them. Now that you know the hidden truth about credit cards, the question is, will you let them control your money, or will you take control? Did this documentary change your perspective on credit cards? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening financial content.